Welcome to this short tutorial on certification validity and converting your Level 1, which is a provisional certificate, to a Level 2, which is a permanent certificate. In the next few minutes, we will review the requirements you will need in order to meet the regulatory requirements to convert your certificate to Level 2 in order to avoid your Level 1 certificate from lapsing. This information can be found on the PDE website at education.pa.gov under certification, under current PA educators, and then Level 1 to Level 2. The following information is regarding the instructional and education specialist credentials only. We're starting with the years of service. A Level 1 certificate is only valid for 6 years of service. This does not run on calendar years from the date your certificate is issued, and that is why there is no expiration date on your Level 1 certificate. Instead, you will see years valid as 6, with the explanation of service years explained on the back of your certificate. This means that years you are not working on your Level 1 certificate in the state of Pennsylvania do not count against the 6 years of validity. For example, if you did not land a teaching position until 3 years after your certificate was issued, those 3 unemployed years do not count against the 6 years of validity on your Level 1. Only time actually teaching counts against the validity. Another example might be you taught on your Level 1 certificate for 3 years and then resigned to stay at home with your family or pursue another career choice. If you return to teaching in the future, only the 3 years you actually taught count against the 6 years of validity. There is also service at different types of educational facilities that may or may not count against the 6 years of validity. There is a complete listing of these types of facilities in CSPG number 7 under the headings of mandatory service and optional service. If you are serving at a facility under the optional heading, it is your choice to count the time toward obtaining your Level 2 certificate. We will now move on to the 24 credits required to obtain your Level 2. Regulation requires that in order to convert to a Level 2, you must complete 24 credits taken past the date of your conferred bachelor's degree. It is just that simple. So for example, if you obtained your bachelor's degree and then returned to college to complete a post-bac or master's degree certification program, since these credits were taken past the date of your bachelor's degree, you can use them toward the Level 2 credit requirement. Acceptable credits must be taken through a 4-year degree granting college, your local intermediate unit, or community college credits that are accepted for transfer through PA track. Again, more information regarding acceptable and unacceptable credits can be found in CSPG number 7. Moving on, a PDE approved induction is also a requirement to convert to Level 2. An induction plan is usually a year-long mentoring program completed through your school district. A word of caution is that since private school service is not mandatorily counted against the validity of your Level 1 certificate, many private schools do not offer a PDE-approved induction plan to their employees. If you want to use your private school service towards your Level 2, we recommend checking with your employer to confirm they have a PDE-approved induction plan in place. More information regarding induction can be found in CSPG number 20. And lastly, you will need 6 semi-annual satisfactory assessments in order to convert to Level 2. The final satisfactory evaluation completed on the PDE 427 should be retained with your employing school as part of your personnel records. We have provided a handy checklist on our website, which we hope will help you gather your documents together before starting your application in TIMS. We have also provided a very simple chart comparing Level 1 validity requirements against Act 48 requirements. We hope that these few minutes we have spent together help clear up your questions regarding validity. We also refer you to the CSPGs as indicated and the Level 2 frequently asked questions for more specific details. Have a good day.